scooter that I've hired. That one right there. Looks like it's a SYM brand, so I think they're Chinese, and that's a CROX Crocs. You can see there, Crocs, and it's a 125cc scooter, so nothing fancy, but get you around the island. And that's the little dash. I'll turn it on. I was showing you the dash. Sorry, I got interrupted there. The owner of the rooms just came to have a word. Don't know if you can see that. That's the fuel gauge there, speedo, and that's the rev counter there. I think it goes up to 10,000 revs or revolutions. There, your lights there. You can just barely make it out. Obviously, it will shine up a lot more at night. Indicators there, I think they are left and right. Oh no, there's the indicators there. Cancel. Got your lights there. That's your high beams, low beams, or high beams down there, low beams there. That's just start. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't fall down. So basically, what you do is you hold the left brake, which is the rear brakes. Turn the key ignition on. Hold this starter and rev it a bit. And that's it, so I can let go. So basically all I did was hold the rear brake and at the same time press the starter and twist the throttle. So I've got the back brake on, so it won't go now. Scooters are automatic, so it's not going to go anywhere, so it's idling at the moment. It needs a bit of throttle for it to go, so we'll just sit here happily just idling, and that's basically it. Oh, that's the helmet. It was in under the chair, under the seat I should say. I just took it out now because I'm going to head down to the beach, and that's it. Let's have a look at the front. Yeah, I think the lights come on automatically there. That's it. I think it's by law now, they all come on automatically.